Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the V8 talking to your computer and guitar. This is where timing and signal flow are decided. First, update firmware and install drivers, then plug your guitar into the V8 with a 1/4 cable and set input gain so peaks sit around -12 dB. Once done, open your DAW and choose the V8 as input and output device at 44. 1 or 48 kHz and 24-bit. Make sure monitoring is enabled so you can hear what you play. Now you sculpt tone and lock in signal flow. Choose whether to use the V8's EQ and drive or record a direct clean die and run an amp sim in your DAW. Recording both gives flexibility. Once you track, set buffer to 64/128 samples to keep latency minimal, and then raise it during mixing. If you have a mic, record the mic and die simultaneously and balance them for presence and body. Make sure your phase alignment is correct when blending tracks. Finish by capturing clean takes and preparing a final comp. You should record several takes using punch-in or loop recording and label them so comping is fast. Once you pick the best phrases, apply amp sim or reamp, add cab IRs, then use targeted EQ and gentle compression to glue the part. Export at your DAW sample rate. If you run into clipping, dropouts, or strange noise, check cables, update or reinstall drivers. Raise buffer size, and ensure the V8 is receiving stable USB power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.